Why you should squat every day. Did you know that a simple movement like squatting could be the key to unlocking your body's full potential? What if I told you that squats don't just build strong legs but can actually improve your posture, boost metabolism, and even help you live longer? Most people think squats are just for bodybuilders, but the truth is, this one exercise is a game changer for anyone who wants to stay healthy, fit, and pain-free. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll never skip squats again. The power of squats. Squatting is one of the most natural movements for the human body. Think about it, before chairs existed, our ancestors squatted to rest, cook, and work. Babies instinctively squat with perfect form. But somewhere along the way, modern life made us forget how important this movement is. Now, we sit too much, we slouch, and we lose flexibility. This leads to back pain, weak knees, and a body that ages faster than it should. But here's the good news. Bringing squats back into your daily routine can reverse all of that. Whether you're young or old, strong or weak, squats can transform your body from the inside out. They target multiple muscle groups at once: your legs, glutes, core, and even your back. And unlike machines at the gym that isolate muscles, squats train your body to work as a powerful, coordinated system. Squats and strength. Imagine being able to run faster, lift heavier, and move effortlessly. That's exactly what happens when you make squats a habit. They strengthen your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, making your legs stronger and more powerful. But that's not all. Squatting also activates your core. Yes, that means a stronger and more toned stomach. And if you want better posture, squats naturally pull your body into alignment, reducing back and neck pain caused by sitting all day. Fat burning and metabolism boost. Here's something most people don't know. Squats are one of the best fat burning exercises you can do. Because they engage multiple large muscle groups, they create an afterburn effect, which means your body keeps burning calories even after you're done exercising. In fact, studies show that strength training movements like squats can boost metabolism for hours after your workout. If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, adding squats to your routine could be the missing piece of the puzzle. The hidden health benefits. Squats do more than just build muscle. They also improve blood circulation, helping your body deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. This means healthier skin, better digestion, and even improved brain function. Plus, squats strengthen your bones and joints, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and knee problems as you age. If you want to stay active and mobile for years to come, squats are non-negotiable. And here's something shocking. Research suggests that people who can easily squat and stand back up without using their hands tend to live longer. It's a sign of overall strength, balance, and mobility. So in a way, squatting is not just about fitness, it's about longevity. The mental benefits, but it's not just your body that benefits. Squats also do wonders for your mind. When you push yourself through a set of squats, your brain releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that reduce stress and boost your mood. It's a natural antidepressant. Plus, squatting requires focus and coordination, making it a powerful way to sharpen your mind while strengthening your body. Common squat mistakes to avoid. Now, before you rush to start squatting, here's something important. Many people make critical mistakes that can lead to injury. The biggest mistake? Letting your knees cave in or leaning too far forward. The key to a perfect squat is to keep your chest up, push your hips back as if you're sitting in an invisible chair, and make sure your knees track over your toes. If you're new to squatting, start with bodyweight squats before adding any weights. So, here's my challenge for you. Try doing just 20 squats every day for the next 30 days. See how your body feels, how your energy improves, and how your strength builds. You might be surprised at the transformation. And if you're serious about your health, don't stop here. Make squats a lifelong habit. Still think squats aren't for you?